Hey JCA Insurance family, it's Jawan Courtney with JCA Insurance Planners, back again with another episode in our series, FYI, for your information. So today we're going to talk a little bit about other types of insurance outside of just regular health insurance. So it kind of falls under the health insurance umbrella, but it's just other types of insurance that isn't really quite health insurance as you know it. So we're talking about, we're going to get a little bit into the type of insurance for accidental and also critical illness insurance. We'll also be talking about short-term insurance and some other types. So just stick with us and we're going to get a little bit more into this when we come back. Okay, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to talk about some different types of health insurance. Now, for a lot of people, you may have this type of insurance is for that person that maybe came off their parents' plan when they turned 26 and wasn't available to get on your company's plan at that time. So you're gonna need something that's called short-term health insurance. It's kind of like a gap filler, and that's exactly what it's gonna do. It's insurance, it's health insurance, but it's only for a short period of time. So you can get it for as little as 30 days or 6 months, and you can actually renew it every 6 months up to a period of short of 3 years if necessary. But basically, this is the type of insurance you're going to be able to go to the doctor, the hospital. Some plans have prescription, some plans don't. Obviously, it's going to be state sensitive. The different coverages are going to be in the different states. But this is obviously something you would rather have in your hand than nothing at all. That you do not want to have to go to the hospital with no type of coverage. So this is just a filler until you maybe get into your group plan at your work, or you're able to wait for the open enrollment period for the ACA plans that will be available, where you could get onto that plan and have that type of health insurance. The next type of health insurance we're going to discuss is hospital or doctor fixed indemnity plans. So what that is, that's a plan or coverage to where if you go to the doctor or you go to the hospital for an illness or an accident or something like that, that they will pay you a fixed, so everything is fixed with a price to what you go to get done to you at the doctor or at the hospital. So therefore, you may get a couple $100s for one incident and then a couple other $100s for another incident, depending on what you have done. But that's kind of like to help you to get some money back or some money to help you with your hospital or doctor bills. It's a great thing to have if you have a high deductible insurance plan. That is maybe $5,000 deductible, but you wind up going to the hospital for a couple of days on an incident that happened to you. At least you will get some money to help to offset your high deductible. The next plan we want to talk about is critical illness insurance. So heart disease strikes someone in the US about every 42 seconds, according to the American Heart Association. So whether you have a stroke, a heart attack, these incidences are critical illnesses. So you want to have a critical illness policy in place so that you get money for that particular illness that you had happen to you. And then there's different, obviously different amounts of money that you can have come back to you, 5, 10, 20, 30, up to $50,000 plans for that critical illness that could happen to you. Not saying that it will, but at least you would have something in place to kind of offset your expenses with that. And finally, we want to talk about accident insurance. So obviously, a lot of the illnesses that happen are accidents. So if you had an accident, you broke your arm, or you were involved in an accident or something like that, you would have this accident injury insurance to offset the doctor bills and the hospital bills that you were incur by going to the hospital or to have to go to the doctor. So these are just a few types of the different type of what we call kind of like supplemental insurances that are outside of your major medical policies that you would get on your own or from your company's health insurance. So we'll get a little bit deeper and break down the different aspects of each one of these later on in the videos. But for right now, that's all we're going to discuss is just that. So if you have any interest in more information about this insurance, maybe you don't have any health insurance at this time and you know it's better to have something in place than nothing, please give us a call, 703-727-2929. You can go to our website, jcainsuranceplanners.com, and just fill out the contact information and hit health insurance, and we'll get in contact with you that way. You can also go to our Facebook page, guys. We want you to like our Facebook page, and then you'll get information such as this from the Facebook page, and also our YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube, you put in jcainsuranceplanners.com, then you will see all of our videos from our previous video collections and future videos that we'll be doing. Okay, guys, so that's it for right now. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate you liking and sharing all of our videos. Get it out there, get the word out there, especially for all those people that are running around without any health insurance coverage whatsoever. You need to take a look at these different plans that we offer here at JSA Insurance Planners. Okay, guys, that's it for this week. Thanks a lot.